Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will be playing Monkey on the Shelf with a bunch of people. Say hi everyone.
Hello.
So we all know the rules, so let's begin. Whenever you're ready, say go.
Hi.
I'm gonna start my
It's a free round.
start?
Alright, we gotta start, go, alright? We gotta...
Green. Touch the floor.
No, you can, if you touch the ground, then you still have, the lava monkey can only tag you when you're on the ground.
What? Yeah. That doesn't make sense though, because he already touched the floor, so he should already be out.
No, you have to tag him when he's on the floor. If they're on something, then...
You did good for a new monkey. I remember.
Yeah. I'm very
Oh.
down instead.
Hello. Blue, is Blue even trying? Is Blue even trying?
Right here. Okay, good. No, you have
Oh yeah, just so you know, I also have a YouTube channel.
Bro, I don't even know what I'm doing.
What's your YouTube channel? I can shout you out right now.
Okay.
Rat VR. I have like 130 something subscribers.
Alright, everyone, go to Retten's YouTube channel and subscribe to him.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, and also,
You did good, Blue.
Okay,
because
because I feel like he's
We're taking out one item.
Yeah, Blue was Blue. We had the same hat.
What item
Alright,
should we
let's go. I'm gonna go for
This is
this
a real
way.
question.
Oh wait, no.
We're gonna go with fist to remove.
Alright,
Fine,
I'm gonna
fine, twist. Everyone, listen up.
Yes.
You can jump on the heads.
Oh,
you
that's a
can
good
jump on
idea.
Alright, you can also jump on the mannequins. The mannequins
Yeah,
do not
Alright, I'm gonna start jumping. Oh, you went for the middle. Alright, I'm going on these heads.
Oh wait, I have to get off the shelf. Sorry.
Oh god.
Okay. Closely.
Oh my god, he almost tagged me when he jumped
You're
through.
doing good, son. But it doesn't.
You
You
can do it.
Test me. You could tag me if I touched the ground.
Actually, you were already safe.
Blue.
Oh.
Come on, blue buddy. If I tag you, I'm sorry. Don't get in the way. Okay, I won't.
Yes.
Okay, god.
Did he touch the ground?
No, he didn't.
idea. Okay.
Let's go,
Oh,
monkey
sorry.
stuff.
Oh, that's fine. Alright, we're gonna take for this. Oh, alright.
This round's one.
Alright.
GG's.
Who's it next? Alright, you're in.
Oh, sad.
Alright,
Xander Z.
alright.
Go.
Let's.
Go.
Round 1 is the easiest one because nothing has been taken out. Okay, I gotta make it back.
My pro monkey skills are kicked in.
My kung fu is good.
Come on, Green. Okay, so I'm actually a really newbie noob at
Okay.
tag.
Oh, shoot.
And
Whoa, what happened to my hands?
you're fine. Alright, I'm it. Come on, you can make this, Blue. You got this.
Let's go.
Hey, you know that you can tag people if they get on the ground.
But if you were at the mirror, you could touch the floor.
Yeah, if they touch the ground, then you can tag them. But if they're not on the ground, but if they get back on, then you can't tag them. Come on, jump. Yeah, alright, that's fine. What are you taking out?
Guys, I have a quick announcement.
Yeah?
I'm really bad at going if you touch the mirror already, you can touch the floor and not get tagged.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so like, if you touch the floor, the lava monkeys can tag you. But if you get back on something that's still in boundaries, or that you can still get on, then they can't tag you. That's how it really goes.
But if you,
What are you taking out?
You can stay on the floor if you want.
Yeah.
I'm deleting this.
Alright, he's deleting the platform. Alright, I'm going for the tricky strategy.
Oh.
I'm going for the tricky one. I'm gonna try and wall climb. Oh, I did it! Oh my god. I did it.
Bro, I was still low.
I did it. I made it.
I'm sorry. I jumped.
He already made it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, what are you taking out next?
It's okay. I'm done.
Mannequin head. I jumped in
That's alright. Let's go. Let's do this. Follow me. This.
Any way of these.
It's in the mirror.
Be careful.
I'm gonna
It's
go
my
dance
way.
in the mirror.
Go this way, and then wall climb.
Ooh.
Then touch the mirror. Oh,
Ooh,
I
you're
almost
gonna-
got you. Alright, we did it. No touching us. Get off the mirror.
You can touch it.
Yeah.
Gotta make it back. Oh, he did the wall climbing strategy.
He's
And ta-da! You gotta make it harder. Take out that so we have to wall climb on that. Or you could take out the middle so we can't go straight to it.
I'm deleting this.
Alright, let's go for the middle and then hop onto the wall. Alright, we can go. Is the middle still in part?
Yeah, because we deleted that again.
Okay.
Every lava.
Oh!
Yes.
Well, I'm scared because he's on that wall and then. Okay. I did it.
Okay, you both made it. Good job.
I almost just.
You gotta take out the middle, so we have to wall climb on that side, no matter
This
what.
one's gone.
Alright, we have to wall climb.
This is gone.
We're deleting the
This
middle.
wall is gone.
Yeah.
This wall.
Alright, so we have to wall climb.
Yo, hey.
Oh, I got out. Yeah. If you go out, then you're.
Just so you know, you could touch this part.
Yeah.
This doesn't count as.
Oh yeah, cause that's out of that.
I'm lava. Everyone get the.
Alright, and let's go.
Wait, guys. I want you guys all to listen to me. I'm gonna be on time because I gotta do something, okay?
Alright. And let's go.
Please don't tag me.
I did it. Okay, I'm making. Guys, I'm doing the risky move. Okay, you gotta hit that and then jump off here. Oh my god, I slipped right here and almost fell off.
Let's do
it. Come on.
I made the risky.
Yeah, he made.
This.
And
No.
oh my god. Alright, what are you taking out?
Okay, the item I'm removing is this.
Oh, we have to go for this side then.
The walls. Those are the most genius.
Oh, the walls. Oh.
Both of the walls?
Both walls?
He removed that one. He removed
Oh,
that one.
that wall.
Whoever fell, y'all
That one's
guys
safe.
were so not done.
What?
Sorry.
Oh, that's fine.
Wait, what? How?
So look, I can help you. Back up, and I can kind of. Actually, no, that's cheated. And I can't show you.
It is? Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you gotta do it. You gotta push.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm looking at you.
Ooh.
Oh, you're
I almost fell off.
lucky boy.
But I'm still gonna play Gorilla Tag.
Lucky boy.
No. Oh, that was a close
I already
one.
touched the mirror, so I could touch
I'm
the floor.
watching.
What?
Why'd you
Accidentally
say
sprint.
Don't go towards him. You have to stay off those. You have to be on the ground.
Whoa!
I just fell to you. Green, it's all
Green, it's all up to you.
I'm a newbie noob, so I will be coming back.
What if I just jumped up in the middle of it and then?
Wait, move.
2, 1. Hey!
Oh, here he goes.
Oh.
Okay.
Alright, we are now removing
We are removing.
the other wall. We removed both walls.
Oh, so what?
You have to go. You'll have to probably walk. The best bet is to wall climb on there and then jump off, or wall climb all the way above
Can
it.
you move, monkey, please? Could you, like, move a bit?
Oh wait, no. They
Wait, is that removed? I don't know how to
Yeah.
wall
No.
climb. I have to get
No, that's not removed.
This is hard,
Boy, I need some
Wait,
tokens.
we should remove this part next.
Yeah, this. No. This. I think we should just remove that completely.
I made it.
Oh.
Now I can do it.
Watch him. I'm watching you.
Was he? Oh,
What if he
you could have
slips?
got him. Could.
Okay.
Oh.
He's good.
Let's do this.
I'm gonna stand here.
Security guarding.
Security.
I tag you.
Hello.
From 5 Nights at Freddy's.
It's nervousing, isn't it?
Don't get close to me.
No,
my headset.
Come on.
I'm a cheerleader.
Oh,
Oh, rip.
Got off.
Don't get
I-
here, bro.
I was standing here. You hit the ground, so you would have gotten out. Oh, why did he leave his spot? You would have stayed in. Oh, he did. Alright.
He
Okay.
got tagged, so that meant I was.
And once everyone's
last.
on, we can start. Alright, go.
Nope.
Oh.
Nope. Not tying me.
Oh, I got it. Are we going for the risk? Oh, woo.
Monkey's chilling outside, so.
Yeah, Lava Monkey, you
don't know
need to be in here.
I'm just spectating right now.
No, you can tag
Just
people.
getting
You
their
should.
socks
You need to
right now.
tag people if they hit the ground.
Here, because I touched the mirror.
Come on, Green. If you touch
Yeah.
the mirror, you can touch the floor. And also, if I leave, then that's my headset dead.
Green. Come
Come on, Green.
Come
Green,
on.
you got this.
You got this, bro.
Green, you got
Yo,
this.
let's go off the
touch the
shelf
floor.
towards
That's all you
him to
gotta
like
do.
cheer him on.
Let's cheer him on.
Let's
Yeah,
go, Green. Let's go. Wait, hold
Let's
on.
go green. Let's go. Let's go green. Let's go. Let's go green. Let's go.
He's accepting his fate.
He's accepted fate.
You did
All right,
good.
what are you
did good.
removing?
His fate. Oh.
All right, I have an idea. Let's go for the middle and jump over. All right, let's do this.
Whoa. I'm watching.
And touch the mirror.
You have to go. I'm watching.
Bro, just go in the middle from front and back. Okay.
He never declared.
Bro, just go from the mirror to the... Bro, the middle is the best way to get through.
I forgot. Get blue. I just forgot.
Hey,
Get blue.
Here, let's just say if, since we have confusion with that, just say if you choose that, then you can't use that, the entire thing. Because we have so much confusion that people touch it and don't touch
Because
it.
that's how I regularly play.
It will just take it, the whole thing out if you touch it.
Then the heads are removed.
Alright, what do you take out now? What? Wall? Okay. I'm going,
this one.
That one.
Because if we remove this one, they have to get harder to get to that one.
alright, come with me.
I mean, no.
Oh,
it's
oh
good.
my god, that
All I
glitch.
get to use
Alright,
is
now we
one
go
of
this
my
way, this way. Bro, I just started doing parkour. Yeet! Oh!
Okay.
I touched it.
That's security
Ooh.
guarding. Okay. So
I'm-
far they're
Oh yeah,
doing
that's
really
not able. Okay.
I'm gonna be on
GG, guys! GG! I'm BMT!
good. Safe. We just need
Hold on, I'm gonna be under this because I'm gonna be on time.
Okay.
blue green safe.
Yo, I want this doll. I want this doll. What are you removing?
Safe.
Hi, are you
I'm on time.
I'm
I'm gonna be on time.
This
What are you removing?
He's
Or
removing
that.
the other wall. I'm gonna leave because my headset's really
It makes the
low.
wall
Bye, guys.
This
harder.
because all the
Bro, I
allowed
think
to
they're gonna.
use is this
Yo, what are you doing?
to get to.
Oh,
I just found
they haven't
it.
removed yet.
My thing's
I'm
low.
pretty sure we made it where
Okay.
this is a
we
whole
made
solid
a decision. We're removing this circle.
Yeah.
That circle?
Pretty easy. Pretty easy.
Okay, I'm nervous. Okay.
Remember that
Okay.
is allowed. That is allowed. That is allowed.
Oh, I jumped over it. And boom! I have to make it back.
Now will they make it back?
Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, you gotta do better than that.
Okay.
Good job.
Okay. Our next item that we're removing is this.
Okay,
Oh,
but do
it's
the same thing, bro. We could just do the same thing.
Yeah,
I know
but
the next time
that
we
next
must
round they're
remove.
gonna remove it. I know
Yeah, they're
the
gonna
next
remove.
one I'm gonna remove.
This one.
I know what I'm
the
gonna
next
remove.
item we're gonna remove.
Oh, sorry.
The next item we're gonna remove, we already know it.
They're kind of good. They're good. If they remove that, then we'll have to jump over that.
Someone who's tagged.
Wait, removing this. I'll be right back.
Oh, they're removing that?
We're not removing
Only that level or both
No,
levels of that?
Follow me, Green.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Maybe not.
We know what we're removing. We're
It's okay.
removing- Since they're doing the wall climbs.
Oh, my controller fell on the ground.
Oh.
Okay, we know what we're removing.
What?
We're removing the window.
Where we remove
Window.
this area.
Oh.
We're not
What if I?
removing
No.
window,
What do we do?
we're removing this.
Alright, they removed that. I have an idea. I'm gonna do a risky jump to that ledge.
No, don't.
I did it!
You made it.
Whew.
Oh. Now
I-
it's to
that's-
the wall from there.
Oh God, that's a bad idea. We should go back.
This is gone.
We cannot make that.
This is gone.
Oh no,
Remember?
Yep.
bro, we cannot make that jump.
He didn't count the mannequin heads.
But that's gonna be hard. I mean,
But
they
that's a
didn't.
tricky jump right there.
Okay.
Ooh, one step at a time.
Bro, how do you do that, bro? I want to try that. No.
Oh.
I got
I'm
it.
gonna go get a charger.
Why are they
I'm
still
Oh.
gonna go get my charger,
So
okay?
they did it. Did you guys remove that? Did you remove that?
I'm gonna get my charger.
We moved Sun over there.
We know our next
One sec, let me show you. We removed this.
All mannequin
Oh,
heads. All
you didn't
mannequin
remove
heads
the
are
window.
gone. We didn't
No.
remove the window. We removed this. So caution.
Oh,
You
dang
touched the
it.
ground.
There's no way I could have jumped straight and continued.
Oh,
Leprechaun man.
Oh,
But what makes it obvious is I was born on St. Patrick's Day, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
alright.
Okay, I'm
Just
ready.
let him
Let's
chill.
go.
Alright. What do you take out? What are you taking out of this room?
Looking on.
Yeah,
Oh,
let
he
me-
doesn't. Oh no, I forgot.
I got back on.
Woo! And boom.
Fine, that's fine.
Bro, after that, just jump into the middle and then jump right back on smoothly.
Bro.
I'm going back. Just, oh my.
I got beautiful blood.
Bro, my hand. Spare me,
Here, I
please.
can get you. You can get
Oh.
off of that one. Here,
So,
go.
like.
Here.
Oh my God.
What's wrong with him?
Oh, that was close.
I made it.
Bro.
I made it.
Well, I already did make
Hey,
it,
bro,
so.
Let's
I already
Oh
did
my-
make it.
The item that
I think it's hot.
He's taking out the middle.
Oh, okay.
taking out
Okay,
the
that's
middle.
easy.
That's so easy.
I'm going.
How about
Oh!
if you like?
No!
Okay.
Oh, wait, can I move? Oh, dang.
I'm
Go for a
sorry.
harder route. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
What?
Let's go.
What if I just do this? No. Oh,
Oh,
no!
yes. That was a close one.
Hello,
I
buddy
already knew when I
boy.
jumped over the wall. I was gone.
Stop.
Oh!
I got back on it. I got back on
Oh,
it.
no.
For my footage, it
Okay,
said you
guys,
were
okay,
right
guys.
here, and then you put your hand on.
Guys. Okay, guys. What item are we gonna move?
Let's.
This,
So that's that. Should we remove that? We removed that.
We should
No.
wait.
Alright, we remove this. We remove this.
First,
Okay.
we remove this.
Okay.
Then we remove that, so we
Ooh,
can't get
close
over
one.
there.
Okay. Okay. No, I messed
Go! Alright.
Ah.
Oh no!
Okay, what do you remove?
No, it's not removing anything.
I thought you were
Oh,
removing
yeah.
something after you play one.
Oh yeah, you after the first round.
It's because I
Oh my
accidentally
God.
put the glass.
I mean, I haven't touched the ground technically.
Not
Hey,
yet.
can I get a little help?
I got back
Yeah.
on.
Bro,
Yeah,
I got
I
back
think
on.
Oh!
I got back
I think-
on.
Oh!
Okay.
And
I got back
boop.
on.
Bro, I was so lucky. I'm going for the middle jump.
I got it.
You got this.
crap.
You make it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna make it.
Bro, like,
Because
let me
I'm
come over you.
bad.
Bro, I
Just
grabbed there and my hand glitched through. And I'm like, I'm floating and I realized I can go on to the other side.
Run.
I got to the mirror.
Come on. Yeah, get back.
You have to come back.
I'm coming. I'm coming over too, again. My second
Come over
time.
here. Come over here.
You mean I got to the mirror?
Alright, here, come with me. So come here and then jump up here, okay? Jump up here,
I don't know how to jump up there though. I'm back.
jump on here,
Oh,
and
might be able
push
to
up
make
and
it.
push it here, okay?
J Blue.
Now
J
come up.
I'm
Now
back.
push towards the middle.
I'm back.
Nice.
I'm back, but I have a cord, so it's gonna
And then once you're
cause me
here,
to
you
play.
push over. So push forward. Be careful when you push.
Party hat. Party.
I'm
back,
jumping.
But I have a
I'm here.
cord.
I got here.
Alright, let me try and get over there. Oh, he
Wait,
fell.
sad move. I'm here. I'm still here though.
Oh yeah, he did. Alright, now push straight and up, kind of. A bit up. Like this.
Like this. Like this.
Yeah. Yeah, like.
Yeah.
3,
J blue.
2,
J blue.
1.
Oh, it didn't count. Oh, did he make it?
I mean, I was on the shelf though.
Yeah. I just want to.
I mean, I was
Alright,
on the shelf.
what do you? How about you remove an item?
What item?
What do you remove?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is this already removed?
No, nothing's been removed
No,
yet.
nothing's been
Okay.
The middle is the
I
easiest
remove
spot to remove
This
because
wall.
that wall. Alright,
Okay.
let's
Yes.
go. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun
you gotta
dun
get
dun. I'm gonna jump up here, jump down, and then easy enough slide. I'm gonna go spectate my
Can I
boy.
risk it, blue?
Risk it. So what I did is I push. So I put my hand down. Yes. Oh, let's go. They should remove that next. No, remove the other wall. Actually, no. They should remove the middle.
No.
Hold on, I'm on time.
They should
Okay.
remove the middle. Because we could easily hop straight over the wall and onto the mirror. That's the best way. I hope they don't remove the middle. Because then we could hop straight over the wall and hit directly onto the mirror.
Mind games.
I just hope they don't remove the middle.
Okay, what item are you guys
How
removing?
about we remove the other?
The other wall, he said. Okay. Oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna jump over here. Come here. And then we jump onto that. Watch. And. Oh, I did it! Jump onto this.
You can
We did it!
Yeah.
How do we do this? Watch out. I'm going to jump.
I'm recording this. Bro, I'm recording this.
Now I gotta jump back.
Oh.
Get.
Oh.
Oh, I got back on.
Oh. I made it.
Okay.
Okay,
You should
we're
probably remove
removing-
this.
No, the middle.
We're removing this.
Middle. The middle.
This is removed.
The middle?
What about this?
The middle?
Oh.
Okay, the middle's removed.
What about
Okay.
this?
You already chose what to remove. Now it's his turn. No, he removed the middle. That's a good thing because we can do the same thing as last time. Yeet.
They're not looking.
Yeah.
Hey.
What? You guys
Something
removed the
lagged.
middle. We're not touching the middle, are
My
we?
thing was lagged. And they still didn't.
Ooh,
Hey.
I did it! I'm gonna go spectate him now.
Wait, we
Oh.
removed. No, wait.
The-
Did we remove the wall?
No,
we
you
did.
removed the middle. You removed the middle.
No, we removed that. We've removed that wall. That one in the middle.
Yeah, we
No,
did.
it was Happy
things.
Dude's turn, so they removed the middle.
We already had removed the wall though.
Okay, it's my turn to
That's why
remove
y'all were
something.
jumping through the middle thing.
Someone get tagged.
Alright,
Okay.
you, what do you want to remove?
Me?
Yeah,
Is it
sure.
me? This wall is removed.
That wall?
Easy.
Okay.
Yep.
I think we can do the same thing again because they didn't say that
No, I
thing.
have an idea. I have an idea. I'm gonna do
You gotta go? Wait, I wanna give you a hug goodbye.
Okay. Hello, mate. I'll just
Oh,
touch
he's
that.
gone. And he's gone.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gone. Oh, rip. I think his headset died.
No, mine's on the charger, so mine's gonna be hard.
Oh, wait.
Mine's on the
Oh, no.
charger.
Wait, no, that wall's removed.
Yeah.
No, Green, that wall's removed.
I already made it.
But that
I
wall's
already
removed.
made it before.
Blue, you won.
No.
So good.
I still want to do another round. Just me alone.
Okay, we're removing
No, don't. That?
I know what we're removing.
Okay.
I know what we're removing. We're
Ooh.
removing all mannequins.
All mannequins? Bet.
He's able to use the same exact way.
Boop. Was it just that one, or is it also that one?
No, we removed both walls.
No, for that, the benches.
We never removed benches.
Oh.
Okay, Blue, you won. One.
Wait, and yeah, I won. I made it.
Oh, we got tagged.
I think. Oh. The final round we're gonna do before we end the video.
Wait, I'm coming.
Alright.
I have a corn, bro. Mine's on.
Hold on, I can't get up.
Hold on to my hand.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna.
Alright, you guys ready? Alright.
Yes.
Go.
Sure. Crap.
Oh, I could have tagged him. Oh.
I got you.
Oh.
I'm on here.
Oh,
Bro, I have a
You
video.
gotta touch the mirror.
My thing's on the charger.
You did the mirror.
Tipsy, go away. Go away. Sorry, that was my dog.
Bro, how? Ah! Come here. Watch this.
He already made it.
Yeah.
This is how you fast run. Oh.
He already made it. Come on, Green.
Oh, if you fall,
Come on, Green.
then you'll get tagged.
Come on, Green.
What if I just?
You got this. Come on. So jump on
Yo,
this
it's black.
wall.
Yo, can I tag them?
Hold on.
Into this wall.
Yeet.
Jump. Come right here. Come on, you got this.
Oh.
No,
Oh.
go.
No. What?
I'm on show.
He made it.
Bro, I thought it said it tagged you. When you were right here and I tagged you, it said the buzzing noises, and then he still made it. I'm like, what? Can I just tag them?
I was running for my life, bro.
What? I think it has tag leg though. Look.
Yeah, because he left.
Buzzy.
What are you deleting?
I'm deleting
You bounce up.
all mannequins.
Whoa. All mannequins? Okay, that's easy. Okay, man. Get off that.
Okay.
I'm coming for you, man.
Oh.
I'm putting my finger.
Hey, you don't do that, bro.
If it buzzes, then that means you're just out because, like, I can't suddenly. Oh. Because watch.
It's way hard.
Oh.
It's way harder.
Oh. Wait, what? I buzzed. Oh, that's why. I guess we can't play anymore. Well,
Yes, we can. We just have to pretend. Okay?
we can.
We have to pretend.
I think
We're
we
still
can
in.
go on to ending the video because it
Now we can
is.
pretend.
It's fine. We can end the video now. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to see another video. And until next time, I'll see you later.
Subscribe to him.